beautiful people, just me trying to do a watch me braid type of video, so enjoy. Alright guys, so before I go, I really want to give a little message out there. While I was doing my hair, there was an Amber Alert that went off, and it just made me think, like, how many Amber Alerts did we get just this year only? And it just breaks my heart. So my message to you today is really take that me time, recenter, and also don't hesitate to talk to someone. You know, don't keep it all inside. Don't bottle it up. It is not worth it. You know, have your peace, have your me time, have your time where, you know, I know it's not the same, but video call, it's something, you know. Man, I can't even fathom like what some people are going through right now. And honestly, when I can't figure it out, I call on to my best friend, I talk to my mom, I talk to someone, but just don't let yourself get into a situation that is harmful for yourself or someone else. Even if you're not creative, try to do something creative. It keeps your mind off things. I'm not a professional on mental health or whatever, but I really want to take this time to tell people, take that time to recenter, talk to someone. You guys, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.